In this video, I'll be showing you how you can contact customer support on ZEPETO, simple and easy. So if you have a problem with your account, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Launch your app, move to your profile like this, tap on the setting button you see on top there. You can see help center, just open that. So on here, you see there are a lot of articles here. We want to chat with them one-on-one. We are not going to use any of the articles, but then if you think the articles can solve your problem, do that. Now let's tap on the chat icon there. Okay, so we are on here. So what we do is we give a reason why we are trying to chat with them. So it's live, account login, payment, refunds, and premium, and the rest. So let me just tap on studio items and proceed here. So you can see the chat opens here. So what you do is you can just text them and give them the problem you are facing, something like that here. So if your problem is too much that they can solve, which there's a chatbot, you just send, you can see you send an inquiry with an email and everything, and then it's been solved here. Simple and easy. So that's it on how you contact customer support on ZEPETO. It's very much simple. They have a lot of articles, just like I said earlier too. So that's it. Peace.